Hello, welcome to Great Garden. Using too much chemical fertilizer can cause the plant to become overloaded, the roots to experience shock, and the growing medium environment to gradually lose balance. Don't worry, in today's video, I will share a simple fertilizer recipe that combines familiar and easy-to-find ingredients that anyone can make. When done correctly, you will see the root system develops stronger and attach to the growing medium better. Leaves become thicker, greener, shinier, and maintain a beautiful form. Create a foundation for flower spikes to develop and bloom longer. If you love orchids and want your garden to become more vibrant and healthy, don't forget to subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you won't miss useful orchid care tips. Let's get started. Do you have coffee at home? Coffee contains nitrogen, potassium, and some trace minerals that help stimulate root growth, keep the plant healthy, and support leaves to become darker green, thicker, and glossier. I use a clean glass cup as shown in the video. Next, add 1 teaspoon of coffee into the cup. Then, add about 500 milliliters of hot water to extract the nutrients from the coffee, helping them dissolve better into the solution. Use a spoon to stir well so the coffee disperses completely in the water, helping the nutrients dissolve better. Finally, close the lid and steep the solution for about 1 hour so the extraction process becomes more effective. At the same time, I use oats to make fertilizer together with coffee. Oats contain many B group vitamins, protein, amino acids, along with minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which help nourish a healthy root system, support leaves to grow thick and green, and increase vitality for the plant. Take a clean glass cup as shown in the video. Add 3 tablespoons of oats. Next, use a spoon to stir the mixture well so the oats disperse in the water, helping the dissolving process and nutrient release happen faster and more evenly. Next, use a spoon to stir the mixture well so the oats disperse in the water, helping the dissolving process and nutrient release happen faster and more evenly. Finally, close the lid and steep the oat mixture together with the coffee for 1 hour. While waiting, I gently rinse water the plant. Rinsing with clean water is very important because it helps moisten the growing medium, wash away dirt, and remove excess salts accumulated around the roots. Thanks to that, the root system is awakened and ready to absorb nutrients better when using the care solution in the following steps. If you do not rinse water and directly apply fertilizer, the roots may experience shock because the growing medium is dry and the nutrient concentration becomes too strong too quickly. This can easily damage the roots, reduce nutrient absorption, and even weaken the plant. Therefore, lightly rinsing first with clean water helps the growing medium maintain stable moisture, creating conditions for the roots to absorb nutrients gradually and more effectively. After 1 hour, when the coffee and oat solutions have cooled, I filter out the residue. First, I use a sieve to filter the coffee residue separately, keeping only the nutrient-extracted liquid. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings. the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. At the same time, I also filter the oat solution and mix it together with the filtered coffee water. Finally, keep only the clear, nutrient-rich liquid to use for the plants. Remember to add 1 liter of water to dilute the solution. That's it. Now let's fertilize the plants together. Method 1. I pour the diluted coffee and oat solution into a spray bottle, then gently and evenly mist the entire orchid plant, from the leaves, stem, roots, to the leaf axils. This spraying method helps the natural nutrients from coffee along with the vitamins and minerals found in oats gently penetrate the surface of the plant. Thanks to that, the leaves are better nourished, the plant increases vitality, and the surface of the leaves and roots becomes cleaner and more ventilated, helping to limit mold and harmful bacteria. You can apply this about once a week during the first month. When the plant has adapted and developed stably, you only need to maintain it once a month. After spraying, let the plant dry naturally for about 10 to 15 minutes. If there is still water remaining in the leaf axils, gently wipe it away to avoid prolonged moisture, helping to limit fungal diseases and keep the orchid healthy. In addition to orchids, you can also use this solution for many other plants in the garden. Here, I mist it on the snake plant as well. Similar to orchids, you should spray the entire plant, including both sides of the leaves. The coffee and oat solution helps supplement a natural source of nutrients, supporting cleaner and healthier leaves while maintaining a deep green color. When used at the proper concentration, this method can also help plants increase vitality and develop more stably. Method 2. Next, pour the filtered coffee and oat solution into a clean cup. Use a soft cloth or cotton pad to gently soak up the solution. Then wipe each leaf of the Phalaenopsis orchid gently. This method helps remove dust and residue from the leaf surface, while also providing a natural source of nutrients from coffee and oats, helping the leaves become thicker, darker green, and glossier. When wiping, you should clean both the upper and lower sides of the leaves to increase the care effectiveness. Maintaining this about 1 to 2 times per week will help keep the orchid leaves clean and airy, improve photosynthesis, and help the plant develop stably over the long term. Method 3. Pour the filtered coffee and oat solution into a clean watering can. Then gently and evenly water around the base of the orchid, so the nutrients gradually soak down to the root zone. Coffee provides a natural amount of nitrogen and trace minerals, while oats add organic nutrients that help improve the growing medium environment and support stronger root development. When the root system functions well, the orchid will absorb nutrients effectively, thereby creating favorable conditions for bud formation and flower spike development. You can water about once a week during the period of strong growth. When the orchid has stabilized, maintain it 1 to 2 times per month to help the plant develop sustainably and bloom consistently. Results after 2 months of application. After about 2 months of applying this method, the orchid shows many positive changes. The leaves become darker green, thicker, and have a natural shine. New leaves develop evenly and strongly, helping the photosynthesis process work more efficiently. The root system also recovers clearly, with many new white and plump roots appearing. The root tips are green and firmly attached to the growing medium. This helps the plant absorb water and nutrients better, thereby maintaining stable and sustainable growth. In addition, buds and flower spikes develop evenly. The stem becomes stronger, more flower buds form, round and healthy. When blooming, the flowers maintain fresh color and last longer, making the orchid pot more vibrant and full of life. This is the result of proper care and providing suitable natural nutrients. When plants are nourished properly, they will grow healthily and bring long-lasting beauty to the garden. If you find the content useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss simple but effective plant care tips. See you again in the next videos.